Hi there, thank you for viewing this week's video. I am going to continue to look at the indices and check out how they have performed and also the outlook for the upcoming week. So let's do a review on the market performance last week. First, the US market continued their sell-off as the fear of interest rate hike hovering in the market. And although there's some rebound, there's a little bit of rebound on Wednesday night due to the intervention of the Bank of England because of the chaos in the UK's bond market, right? That it helps to uh, have some reprieve for the US market, but the selling continues on Thursday and Friday. Okay, the Asian market selling was consistent until Friday. STI and Hang Seng managed to ink out a white candle. Let's take a look at the performance for the indices. So the performance chart shows that the Dow was down 2.9% for the whole week. S&P 500 the same 2.9%. Nasdaq 2.7% and STI down 3% and Hang Seng 4%. So you can see on Wednesday night there was some rebound or momentarily pushed the US indices back to the positive region, while the STI and Hang Seng was moving down, still moving down until Friday managed to have some recovery, but then it's still down for the whole week. So let's take a look at the technical chart and see what is going to be next week. So first, we start off with the Dow chart. As you can see, Dow, we anticipated a downtrend as I have on my screen. Over here, you can see the downtrend continues. You know, the stocks breaks its support level at, or rather the index breaks its support level at 29,650, then rebound to retest it as a resistance and then break down again. So it breaks down the low that was created on this 27 September. If I zoom out, this is actually the support level as well. It was a previous resistance turn support. So unfortunately, what happened was that Friday night it was dumped to close below this support. So what to anticipate next is that you notice this gap over here. This is the gap that meant to be filled, which was created in 2020, and we have a little bit remaining to fill up before anything will happen. So if let's say the index have the chance to rebound, so we have to see it cross back above 28,948 before it can move up higher. Then ultimately, it needs to test back 29,693 in order to start a trend changing process. S&P 500 also broken its support level over here as it closed. It was holding at the support level very well until Friday. It didn't manage to hold and break lower. So you can see the previous support term resisted the index very well as well. And of course, overall, it's still on a downtrend. Let's erase everything and then let's take a look at where is the next support level. So the next support level that we are looking at is potentially here. This is the major support level, the key support level that the S&P 500 has. Is 30, or rather 3,232. And then we have this support level as well, which I plotted here, which was a previous resistance and support at 3,550. So S&P 500 will go there and will hold at the support level and then stage a strong recovery. If we manage to stage a strong recovery, the first hurdle to cross is 3,735, then followed by this 3,885. Nasdaq, unfortunately, also don't do very well, especially when during the intra week we see a downgrade of Apple share due to the demand for iPhone 14 that is not so high. It's resting at the support level at 10,571. The overall downtrend is end, if it can rebound, or rather, if it can end this downtrend, it has to rebound to at least 11,103 and break out from there and hit back at least to this level for a start, 11,612 for a start to move into downtrend. Now, we're getting very close to the midterm, and later on, when during the wrapping up, I'm going to share what are we going to expect next week. So now we are into October. Okay, so today is 1st of October, and what will happen to in October is very crucial. But typically, if the September is very bad, there might be some rebound in October. As granted, the inflation numbers is still high, and the upcoming CPI, which is I think in the middle of October, is going to be very important. But before that, let's take a look at STI first. Right, STI, we are looking at the glimmer of hope as it continues a downtrend on the previous sessions until it got so down, it got dumped until so badly that it gets very close to its major support at 3,089. So the glimmer of hope is that it managed to close as a white candle, but it's not sure that whether you will be able to rebound right away, or it may test this support first before it rebound. So overall, the chart is down. Support becomes very important as if we continue to break support, downtrend will continue. Especially this major support is very crucial for STI. So we really got to wait and see what's going to happen next week. Because to add on, this is a bullish piercing candle pattern. It's a confirmation for a rebound, and STI need to rebound back to this level 3,197, okay, in order to be able to change a trend. Hang Seng, the selling is wherever, downtrend wherever, but Friday managed to close as the China data seems to be okay, not so bad. It's mixed, but not as bad as the market would fear. And next week, China national holiday. Hang Seng is going to go for holiday for Tuesday, but the whole week China is going for holiday. And Hang Seng doesn't have any nearby support, so we've got to really zoom out to very far to find where's the next support level. And the support level that we have is, wow, probably here. Let's zoom in what happened here. Here you see this support breaks down, comes to this support level, and then rebound or V-shaped recovery 2011. That was very, very long ago. Okay, that was when I started trade regularly. Okay, so now we've seen Hang Seng coming back towards there. So we got to form a new support. Okay, so can Hang Seng form a new support and not going to this very low level at 16,187? It needs to go back above this level at 17,655, right, at least, then move on to this level to 18,242 in order to be able to start something special. Okay, so wrapping up, as you can see, the whole market is on a downtrend. It's very, very important for a rebound to happen. And let's look at what are the data to expect next week. So we have manufacturing PMI for the US market, ISM on this Monday night. So whether it push the US market lower or rebound, but this 10 p.m. announcement are very important Singapore time. Okay, then we have factory order durables goods. So if these numbers are down, means economy are not doing well, means demand are going down. So what does it mean? It means that the Fed may not be so aggressive if the numbers are bad in increasing their interest rates. Then we have export, import. If export is down, maybe market still have chance. Then of course the key is the non-farm payroll. The non-farm payroll on Friday, the first week of October. Okay, so if non-farm payroll is down, maybe the markets can rebound. So all these numbers are very important right now. And of course, if you look at China is on a holiday. So China's key reporting is here. The Caixin manufacturing PMI on Friday. It is going to help Hang Seng to recover higher or push Hang Seng lower. These numbers are very important. Okay, so best of luck. Now the market is really oversold. So hopefully there is a rebound coming to have some break of such a trend. Then else, good luck. Okay, so see you again next week.